Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ANY. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but yeah, the bears are very clearly in full control of this one. It seems just like a case of deja vu almost on a daily basis. Price makes a big move down, goes sideways the rest of the day. Next day, price makes a big move down, goes sideways the rest of the day. And once again today, price made a big move down and then went sideways, although this is kind of where the unique little twist comes into play. Not only did the price go sideways, but it definitely had a little bit of an upwards, whoops, that's not what I wanted to use. It definitely had more of an upwards kind of slant to it, or in the world of charts, we would call a trend line. Now, don't get me wrong, and I really do wish trading was this easy, just because the price had, normally just essentially been going sideways, and now all of a sudden the price is having a little bit of an uptrend here, does not mean that this thing's guaranteed to bounce up to $1.50 or higher. Like I said, I wish trading was that easy, but it's just not. Now, would it be shocking to see some sort of bounce? No, that would not be shocking at all. But again, there's no such thing as a guarantee, and these sorts of setups should definitely only be attempted and played by people that have risk systems in place to monitor risk and to control risk, because if you're somebody that doesn't want to honor a stop loss, then yeah, these sorts of things can get you in a whole lot of hurt. But yeah, point here being is history did repeat itself, but now all of a sudden the one little slight difference is that there's an uptrend here. So we'll see if this produces some sort of bounce. Again, not guaranteed, but would it be shocking to see a bounce? No, I wouldn't be shocked. But myself nor anyone else can sit here and say that will for sure happen. Now, in the event the price does bounce, let's talk about some areas of resistance. First key area of resistance on any sort of bounce is going to be this former area of support, and that sits right up there about $1.08. So $1.08 initial area of resistance. If the price can push through there, the next key level to watch is going to be that purple line right there, which is that famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that purple line is going to move itself downwards and get more and more relevant to the price. But one step at a time, and really the first step's not even breaking above $1.08. First step is, holding up above that orange line and not repeating history, because the previous 3 days, including today, have literally been the opening 30 minutes forming, a big old bearish candle like that. So we'll see if that happens again or not. But if it doesn't and the price can maintain above that orange line, then yeah, maybe we'll see some sort of bounce. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.